Many people find themselves apprehensive to change out a light fixture in their home. It's actually not as hard as you think. My name is Wayne with Mr. Handyman, and today we're going to be taking you through a few steps to installing a light fixture. As always, safety is very important when dealing with electricity in your home. Make sure the light switch is off and the power has been turned off at the electrical panel. Remove the light fixture and confirm with a current tester that all wires do not have power. Next, you'll install the new light fixture by connecting the wires with wire nuts. Be sure and follow any important information from the manufacturer in the manual. Once the light fixture is in place and mounted, install the new light bulbs and any other additional attachments. Your new light is ready to be tested. Turn the power back on at the circuit panel and flip the switch to make sure the light is working properly. As always, if you need help installing a light fixture or have a much larger project, please contact Mr. Handyman for all your home repair and remodeling projects.